Ever wonder how a city rises from nothing but dirt and steel? Before the buildings, before the skyline, it all starts right here, with precision, power, and machines that never back down. The morning kicks off before most of the city is even awake. Dust hangs in the air, engines rumble to life, and the real work begins. At the center of it all is the Hidromek 310 LC excavator, massive, powerful, and built to move mountains one bucket at a time. From above, the drone shots capture the full scale of the operation. Trucks line up one after another, waiting with empty beds as the excavator swings into motion. Every movement is smooth, controlled, and fast. The bucket drops deep into the earth, scoops up heavy loads of dirt, then rotates with precision before releasing it into the trucks below. You can actually feel the rhythm of the job site. Dig. Swing. Load. Repeat. The operators make it look easy, but this takes serious skill. Timing matters. Positioning matters. Every second counts when you're moving this much material on an active construction site. As the trucks pull away fully loaded, new ones roll into position without missing a beat. It's a constant flow of movement that keeps the entire project on schedule. But this isn't just about hauling dirt. This is the beginning of something much bigger. Right beneath this ground is where the future foundation of the structure will take shape. Every bucket removed is another step closer to creating a solid base strong enough to support everything that will eventually stand here. The Hidromek 310 LC excavator now shifts into foundation digging, carving deep into the earth with incredible accuracy. Concrete crews, engineers, and builders all depend on this stage being done right. If the foundation isn't perfect, nothing above it will be either. From the drone view, you can really see the geometry of the site forming. Straight cuts. Deep trenches. Layers of earth being transformed into the footprint of a future building. Construction at this level is more than brute force, it's coordination, experience, and trust in the equipment doing the heavy lifting. And the Hidromek 310 LC excavator continues to dominate the site. Bucket after bucket, load after load, it powers through the terrain like it was designed for exactly this moment. The sounds of hydraulics, moving tracks, and dumping soil create the soundtrack of progress. What looks like dirt moving from one place to another is actually the first chapter of an entire construction story. By the end of the day, the landscape looks completely different. Tons of earth have been moved, truck after truck has rolled out, and the foundation area is beginning to take shape. This is how modern construction starts. Not with walls or windows, but with raw ground, heavy machinery, and crews that know how to turn an empty site into the future.